MT Crypto over here. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. Make sure you turn on the notification bell and keep your eye on this video. I'll be doing a giveaway of 5 Dogecoin to 5 people. So just to participate or to come out in this giveaway, you need to tell me the times you saw the subscribe button pop up in this very video, right from the beginning of this video to the end of this video. So guys, I'll be making a live withdrawal. I'm making a live withdrawal from this Dogecoin mining website. I made a video earlier and I invested some amount of Dogecoin. So guys, I'll be making the withdrawal straight up. And I'll be giving 5 Dogecoin to 5 people. So stay tuned. So guys, I made a deposit with BNB. That is why when I'm mining, the BNB balance would be increasing with Dogecoin. Why, if I had assuming I had deposited Dogecoin, the Dogecoin balance would be increasing. So guys, let me take a look at my mining. Right here. So guys, as you can see, my profit today is over 16 Dogecoin, and my deposited total is over 150 Dogecoin. And I think my plan is over. The plan is over already. Yeah, the plan is over already. My DHS has turned to 200. It was 1,700 before, because I bought 1,500 DHS, which made me over this amount of Dogecoin in my BNB. So guys, I'm making live withdrawal, and I'll also be making a deposit of some amount of Dogecoin if I'm having some. Alright guys, so this is it. My BNB. Alright, I think I'm using Binance Smart Chain. Alright guys, so it's matching. So you have to choose your payment option. Like as you can see over here, I set up my Perfect Money UID, my Litecoin wallet address, and my BNB wallet address. But I'm having only coins in BNB, so I'll be making a live withdrawal real quick of 163.50 Dogecoin. So I'm clicking on the request button real quick. I'm clicking on this request button to request my withdrawal. So as you could see, the BNB amount that would be given is 0.04 BNB. 0.04 BNB. So I'll be clicking on the confirm button real quick. Alright guys, so as you can see over here, it says my withdrawal request has been successfully saved. So guys, the way this platform do their withdrawals is manually. It's not automatic that immediately we have to it will be sent directly to our wallet. They do their stuffs manually, they do their withdrawals manually. And as you can see over here, it's my withdrawal request has been sent successfully. I even received an email that there's a pending withdrawal of 163.50 Dogecoin. So I have to wait for that stuff. Alright guys, so I'll also be depositing some amount of Dogecoin. Let me see the amount of Dogecoin first. Alright, so Dogecoin. Alright, it says credit amount for the starter miner, which I bought just now, is over 150 Dogecoin. So guys, I'll be going ahead to buying this stuff right now. I'll be copying their Dogecoin wallet address, copy. Then I'll be going over to my trust wallet to send 150 Dogecoin to that wallet address, because I want to deposit another stuff. I want to deposit another Dogecoin and earn more from this website. So 150 Dogecoin. I'll be transferring to their wallet address real quick. So I'll click on the confirm button. It's so easy to deposit, but to make withdrawals it's manually, so we need to wait for some time. Right guys, so I've made I've sent 150 Dogecoin to the designated wallet address. So guys, I'm waiting for payment confirmation. or waiting for payment confirmation. If you are seeing this and you have not joined um the airdrop I'm doing, the Shiba Inu airdrop I'm doing, you are missing out. You're really missing out. Kindly click the link in the description of this video. You get directed to our Telegram bot where you could withdraw and earn free amount of Shiba Inu token for absolutely free. Yeah, free Shiba Inu token. All you need to do is to just refer friends and complete simple task. So as you can see, waiting for confirmations, zero confirmations. But from here, it says I've sent 150 Dogecoin. So guys, let's wait for confirmations. I'm waiting for two confirmations, and as you can see right here, one confirmation has been done. So guys, let me wait a little for this stuff to be successfully added to my main balance. Let me quickly head up to account statistics, and we'll be waiting. As we're waiting, guys, let me quickly make a live withdrawal of how many Dogecoin am I having here. Let me check it real quick. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm having over 7,000 Dogecoin, Shiba Inu token rather, and I earned this from the referral program. So I'm making a live withdrawal real quick. Making live withdrawal of 7,040 Dogecoin Shiba Inu token, which I'll be receiving immediately in my Coinbase wallet. So as you can see over here, my Dogecoin has been received, my withdrawal has been sent. Check your Dogecoin wallet, and as you can see, I just received this notification of plus 0.05, that's 5 cents of Dogecoin has been sent to my wallet directly. So guys, as you can see, it's so easy to make use of this bot. Kindly make use of this bot. It's an airdrop bot, and I'm going to be funding it. I'm the one funding the bot, so it's real legit. It's real legit, guys. So guys, let's head up here and reload the page real quick. Let's reload the page real quick. Alright guys, as you can see, I just got a mail that my payment has been received. Dear email or drop, you have successfully received your deposit of 150 Dogecoin to starter miner accounts with the big HCCH. So guys, I'm checking my statistic to my account dashboard right now to check whether my DHS has changed. As you can see over here, I'm having 1007 DHX. That means I've purchased 1,500 DHS, like for right now with 150 Dogecoin, and I'm going to be earning from this stuff. So guys, I advise that you go over to any wallet at all, make sure we're buying Binance BNB coin, especially the smart chain, so that when the price gets high, we'll be earning huge profit from it. Thank you very much for watching.